you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So in today's video, I have a product by Primal Queen to show you. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this box by Primal Queen just arrived. They actually did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your product to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So a little bit of a backstory. I started seeing this company through my feeds. And then when I started kind of like paying attention to them more, they started like really going through my feeds. So then I actually started looking at reviews, and I was trying to find reviews from somebody who had taken it from some time, not just like a newly person. No offense or anything, it's just I wanted somebody with experience to kind of know what they, their benefits that they received from taking it. And the main thing, so this is basically, here's some girl talk. This is mainly for women. If you are not a woman, sorry, you might not want to watch this, but this is for women. And then the one main reason why I wanted to try this is because the reviews were saying that their periods were cut down and they really didn't have any more cramps. And the older that I'm getting, now that I'm going to be 45 in a couple months, the older I'm getting, the worse and worse that my monthly situation is getting. My cramps are just horrible, and it's all over the place. Sometimes it could be 7 days, sometimes it could be 3 days, 5 days. Like, it would be nice to have something a little bit more consistent, and you get a whole lot of other benefits with this stuff too. So I jumped on board. I'm like sold. So I purchased the starter kit. That's actually what they sent me here. So I already have a starter kit. I've been taking it now for about 2 weeks. So I want to show you what is all in the starter kit, tell you all about them, and then I'm going to do a follow-up like a couple months down the line once I can actually take it and see what my body has benefited from, to actually give you my real honest opinion. So like I said, right now I'm going to show you what's in the starter box. This is a great way to start out because you get so many different things in here. Oh, so that's what I was saying. After I was taking it for like a week, I reached out and asked if they had an affiliate program, because then I wanted to show you guys, what this is, and then you could have a link to go to or a code or whatever. Well, then they signed me up to their affiliate program, and that's how I got this box here. I actually just got my second order, so I want to show you how they come when you get your refills. So this is a 3-month supply that I did to move forward. So that would be 4 months plus this one. That would be 5 months total with all of those. But I do want to update you as I'm taking it, so we can kind of know what's happening with me anyways. So let me go ahead and show you everything that's in the starter kit. The starter kit is a 1-month supply with extra goodies. You will also get 30% off if you're a member. Every month you'll get 30% off. You get a free bamboo lid glass jar. You get a free on-the-go pill case, a free mystery item, and free US shipping. All of that is $44 to get you started, and then you can either have it delivered monthly or you can do it by 3 months to save some money, and that's what I did. So I ordered my first kit. Again, this one was sent to me, so it's exact same way. Just wanted to show you. When you open it up, they have their pink little peanuts. So this is how the actual pills come. They're in this little package right here that's completely sealed. So for the starter kit, for your first box, you will get this jar, which I like this jar. Plus, my thing is, once I get on my actual routine, and then I'm gonna remember, but I'm not used to taking a pill twice a day before eating. So some days I kind of forgot until after I was done eating. So I'm actually excited to have 2 jars, one to keep like by where I eat dinner, and then one in the kitchen where I'm mainly doing like breakfast, that kind of thing. So hopefully I will remember easier having 2 jars. So I'm actually excited. But here's how the jar comes with their logo on the top, and it has like these little like paint splatters and stuff around the side, just super, super cute. So then the free item that you get, the free mystery item, this one here is a bracelet, and it says, "I am a Primal Queen." Across it, a little silicone bracelet. And then here is the on-the-go pill. which I really do like this. However, I kind of wish it was a little bit bigger to maybe put maybe 3 in there, just in case you did take the one and you forgot to put the one back in there next time, you know what I mean, you would have it. But I do like that you do get to store at least 1 pill in here. So if you're gonna go have breakfast or lunch or dinner out, then you can put 1 pill in here and then remember to take it. So it's on a keychain, you can put it on your keys, you can hang it on your purse, and then you just twist this off here. It's a little capsule that you just stick 1 pill down in there and close it. Literally, you can only put 1 pill in there. So that's that. And again, I really like that you can have this with you. So if you are going, you're like, hey, I'm gonna go eat lunch, you know, with so-and-so, and then you forgot your pill, if you have this with you, you won't forget. So I really like that they thought of that to have it on the go. And then I believe that is everything that is in here. Here is a card which goes over some information, and it kind of gives you 1 week, 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, like what you should be seeing after you're taking it for that time. And yes, that is everything in the starter box. So again, you have the jar, the bamboo jar, it's a glass jar with the lid. You have a free gift, and you have your on the go, and then you have your 1 month supply. Now what you do is you just open this up and you put it in here. Now one great thing is there's a little like heart shaped, I don't know if they're all the same heart shaped, but my last one was a little heart shape, and it's like a peppermint little thing. You don't eat it, but you leave it in there with it. So your the capsules that you take will have like that minty type taste, not any other type of a taste to it. And so far, like, you know, through the whole 2 weeks, everything, it's still just as minty fresh, and it's just great. Yeah, see, it smells like bubblegum, like spearmint, mint. But this is how it looks. So you take your jar and you just dump them all in. You do have like the stay fresh in there. I leave mine in there just so it stays fresh. And then this is the little heart that I was telling you about that smells like a peppermint. But yeah, you have all of your pills down in here. You have your 30-day supply. They smell nice and good. And then you just keep them in here. Take them twice a day with 2 meals. So if you eat 3 meals a day, choose the 2 biggest ones that you eat. If breakfast is small, do lunch and dinner. If you do a bigger breakfast, small lunch, do breakfast and dinner, whatever you would like. But you take 2 pills a day only, not 3, and you take it before eating. And if you would like to learn a little bit more information about the capsules, what the benefits are, and all of that, then here you go.
Primal Queen is clinically studied beef organ superfoods for women. In just 12 weeks, women taking Primal Queen have reported 68% improved energy, 40% reduced hormonal imbalance, and 83% satisfaction with their cycle. At Primal Queen, they believe that beef organ superfoods are the key to treating the root cause of modern day symptoms. Because they come straight from the source, vitamins and minerals in beef organs are absorbed more efficiently. And they also have a list on their website that shows what you should expect after the constant use of Primal Queen. After 1 week, you should have a lift in energy and mood. 1 month, you should have an increase in vitality, sex drive, and overall well-being. 2 months, you should have a better mood to higher energy with the red blood cells production. 3 months, you should have better skin health, delayed signs of aging, reduced acne, and better vision. At 6 months, you should have an enhanced mental clarity, better muscle function, and improved recovery after physical activities. And then at 12 months, you should have optimal menstrual flow, properly balanced hormones, less menstrual cramps, and hot flashes. And their belief is that organ superfoods are a vital part of any female's diet and needs to be consumed with every meal. And Primal Queen's promise is that there's non-GMO, gluten-free, no antibiotics, no hormones. They're all pasture-raised and grass-fed. They also have a chart that shows what the beef organs will do compared to another type of vegetable or fruit that you might be taking, so you can see the huge difference in just taking 1 capsule. And they have a 365-day money-back guarantee with free shipping to the United States.
All right, so that is all the benefits. That is everything about the capsules. That is why I'm just super, super excited. I purchased them right away. I already have my 3-month supply, and if you want to see how they come, it's just the same packets, but you get 3 of them. So when I'm done with my I just dump in a whole new package for the next month and I'm good to go. So that is how they come. Again, these 3 months I've already paid for, so that'll be 4 months that I've paid for, and then they sent this one for me. I am going to update you. Like I said, I do want to start taking them for a little while just so I can give you my honest opinion. So stay tuned to that. Once I can take it, give me some time in the future, but I will be doing those updates to let you know if I feel anything, what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling, that kind of thing. And I'm just really, really hoping that I don't get very much cramps come next month or the month after, because I will definitely know. I will definitely know, because every single month they're brutal. So I will definitely know. So yeah, so anyways, I wanted to show you again the starter kit, tell you all about them. Have you seen them? Have they been going through your Instagram feeds? Have you tried them? Do you know somebody who has? Definitely let me know all the details down below. And again, stay tuned for the updates that I will be updating you on as I go. So that's everything for this particular video. Again, I will link them down below in the description box if you'd like to pop on over to Primal Queen, take a look at everything for yourself, sign up if you would like, that kind of thing. They will all be in the description box for you. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.